let's see how to remove a package installed in Sublime Text. So if you go here, you see your packages that you have installed here, but how can you remove one of these? Okay, you just go in Tools, Command Palette, or Control Shift and P, and go to Package Control, Remove Package, and here you can find all your packages and that you can eventually remove. So you see here I don't have that package. If I click here, you will see that now I just have these packages while the other ones have been uninstalled. So that's all, and see you next time.